Money is not neutral to the psyche. Venus governs value, what the soul considers important, stabilizing, or desirable. Money becomes emotionally charged when it replaces or represents something deeper: safety, love, respect, or freedom. For some, money meant survival. For others, it meant independence. For others, it meant approval. These meanings were learned through experience, not theory. Venus does not create greed or generosity, it records association. When money carries emotional weight, financial decisions stop being practical and start being psychological. Spending, saving, earning, and losing all trigger deeper reactions. Understanding financial karma means asking, what did money once provide emotionally? Financial karma forms when money repeatedly solves emotional problems. If money reduced fear, it became safety. If money created choice, it became freedom. If money brought respect, it became identity. Venus preserves what works. Over time, these associations harden. Money stops being a tool. It becomes reassurance. This is why financial stress feels personal. Loss feels destabilizing. Gain feels relieving beyond logic. Venus is not attached to numbers, it is attached to meaning. Healing begins when money is separated from identity and returned to function. Unconscious Venus creates repetitive money patterns: overspending to feel better, under-earning to avoid responsibility, saving excessively to control uncertainty. These are not character flaws, they are protective habits. Venus repeats strategies that once stabilized the system. But what once helped can later limit growth. Financial karma does not end by forcing discipline, it ends by changing the emotional role money plays. When money stops carrying self-worth, behavior naturally shifts. Venus heals financial karma by relocating value. Worth moves inward, money returns to function. This does not mean rejecting wealth, it means removing emotional substitution. Choices become calmer, risk becomes measured, security becomes internal. Venus matures when money no longer regulates emotions, it supports life instead of stabilizing identity. This shift reduces anxiety without reducing ambition. In its mature state, Venus uses money cleanly. Earning is intentional, spending is conscious, saving is practical, not fearful. Money is no longer a mirror of worth, it is a resource. This does not remove desire, it refines it. Financial karma completes when money stops defining identity and starts serving direction. Subscribe to Karmic Scripts. Master your map. Master your direction.